Hello guys, welcome back once again. In this section we will start working on our new project, and that is going to be a expense manager apps, and this project will be a big project. So first we need to create a new project and we can call it expense manager app. We will use Firebase database for backend. So expense manager app, and hit this next button. Select empty activity and finish. Just create a new project and finish. So here is our new project. Now we need to design our layout. First we will design our login part. So remove this text view and remove this constant layout and add linear layout. And we need to add orientation vertical. And add a gravity center. And now first we need to add a scroll view. White mesh parent and height is going to be wrap content, and add a linear layout. White mesh parent and height wrap content. We added a scroll view, just make sure that our data can scroll, our layout can scroll. And now we need to add a orientation vertical. And select gravity center. First add a text view, white mesh parent and height wrap content, and add a text we can call login. And because this layout is for our login part, and at a gravity center we need this text inside at the center of our layout. So at a gravity center, and add text appearance large, add text appearance large. And now we need a edit text, white mesh parent and height wrap content. Add layout margin 10 dp. Add Android hint and this field for email, and define a ID. We can call it ID email login. And copy this edit text and paste it once more. And we need same thing, just need to change our hint, and this field is going to be for our password. So we can select password and change this ID name, and we can call it password login. Now add a button, white mesh parent and height wrap content. Add margin 10 dp. And add a text, we can call it login. And add a text appearance, is going to be text appearance medium. And define a ID, we can call it btn login. And now we need to add a text view. So white mesh parent and height wrap content. Add gravity center and add a text, we can call it forget password. And add padding 10 dp. Not 10 dp, we need to select 5 dp. And to define a ID, we can call it ID forget password. And copy this text view, and we need one more text view. And this time this text view is going to be for our first change this text, and we can call it don't have an account. sign up here. That means if user don't have an account in our application and they need to registration, then if they click this text box, they will redirect to our registration activity. So now change this ID, we can call it sign up registration. So we added all required field for our login layout. In our next part, we will start designing for our all this field. So now change this dark action bar to no action bar. So in our login activity, we don't need any action bar.